boys and girls, this is Mrs. Boynton, and welcome to another round of Be a Mind Reader, Lesson 16. Are you feeling bewildered or confused or puzzled? Have you never played Be a Mind Reader before? If you've never played it and you don't know how to play, this video will not work for you. You need to go to WordWall Lesson 13 and do that lesson instead. That will teach you how to play Be a Mind Reader. So the next time we play, you'll know how to play. Do not watch this video. Stop the video and instead play Be a Mind Reader with WordWall Lesson 13. You may leave now. Do you already know how to play Be a Mind Reader? If you do, yes, you can keep watching this video because we are going to play Be a Mind Reader and you already know the rules. So here we go. You already know that to play Be a Mind Reader, you need a sticky note. You need to write your name at the top. Some of you are forgetting that. Please don't forget to put your name on your sticky note. And you need to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down the side of your sticky note. When you have your sticky note ready, restart the video. Press pause now. Okay, remember to play Be a Mind Reader, you're going to try and read my mind and guess which word on the word wall I am thinking of. You get 5 guesses. Are you ready to read my mind? I've got my magic purple Mind Vibes headband on, ready to send my mind vibes out to you. Okay, here's the first clue to the word wall word I am thinking of. Number 1, it's a word on the word wall. Okay, here come my mind vibes. Okay, what word am I thinking of? Read my mind. So now on your sticky note, you have a word wall word written next to number 1. You've written your first guess. Remember, you can't change that guess, and it better be spelled correctly. Please look at the word wall and make sure you've spelled it correctly. We're practicing correct spelling. Okay, pause the video until you're ready for clue number 2. Here's clue number 2. There's an L in it. Does your guess have an L in it? If it does, write it again for number 2. If your guess does not have an L in it, you'll need to find a new guess. You cannot erase number 1, but write a new guess for number 2. Number 2's guess has to have an L in it. It might be the same as number 1 if number 1 had an L. All right, we're moving on to clue number 3. Pause the video if you need more time. Clue number 3, it has more than 5 letters. Look at your guess for number 2. Count the letters. If your guess for number 2 has more than 5 letters, write the word again for number 3. But if your guess does not have more than 5 letters, you need to look at the word wall and find one. Find a word that has an L and has more than 5 letters. Write your new guess, or the same guess if you had a good one, for number 3. Pause the video if you need more time. Look at the word wall. Has an L, more than 5 letters. Clue number 4 is, it's a plural noun. Uh-oh, do you have no idea what a plural noun is? No fear, I will teach you. Here we go. First I'm going to tell you what a noun is. You might already know. A noun is a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. These are all nouns. A girl, a boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Boynton, Mrs. Hendricks. Those are all nouns. Places, school, home, playground, zoo. Those are all nouns. They are places you can go. Animals, dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard. All nouns. Things, book, flower, shoe, or pencil. Those are all nouns. Person, place, animal, or thing. But what does this word plural mean? Because I told you clue number 4 was it's a plural noun. Plural means more than one. Nouns can be plural nouns to be more than one. For instance, cat could become cats by adding an S. Butterfly could turn into a plural noun by turning into butterflies. Box could become plural by turning into boxes. Plural means more than one. So my word on the word wall is a noun, but it's more than one noun. Usually that means there's an S on the end. That's what can make it plural. If your guess for number 3 was a plural noun, you're going to write that same guess again for number 4. However, if it wasn't, you need to find a new word on the word wall to write your guess for number 4. The word you write will have an L in it. It will have more than 5 letters, and it will be a plural noun. More than one person, place, animal, or thing. Pause the video if you need time to look at the word wall. And remember, spell it correctly, please. Copy it from the word wall. Get the letters correct. For clue number 5, I've written a lovely and correct fill in the blank sentence. Here's my sentence. Bates, Cornerstone, and Wiley are all blank. Let me tell you what's lovely about this sentence. Bates, Cornerstone, and Wiley all have capital letters because they are proper nouns. That means they're the name of a very special place. I also put these lovely commas in between the items on a list. I started my sentence with a capital letter and I ended it with a period. But you have to figure out which word wall word goes in the blank. The word that fits will have an L in it. It will have more than 5 letters. It will be a plural noun, and it will make this sentence make sense. Figure out which word on the word wall makes this sentence make sense, and write it for your guess for number 5. If you did this game correctly, you have 5 word wall words spelled correctly, written for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you're a cheater, you erased your wrong guesses and changed them to be the same word 5 times. I'll be able to tell if you cheated. But if you're not a cheater, then you got it correct all 5 times and never erased and spelled it correctly. Or most likely you did not read my mind and you wrote different guesses along the way and you made sure you spelled them correctly. So I hope you weren't a cheater. I'll look forward to seeing how you did in reading my mind. Be sure to put your sticky note on the sticky spot and don't forget your name. Thanks for playing with me today. Bye-bye.